Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this beautiful 208 GTI. It boasts a 1.6 petrol engine that gives you 200 horsepower, but it's a very stylish car that has 17-inch alloy wheels as well as this panoramic glass roof. Inside you've got this half leather interior as well as heated front seats, but it also has the 7-inch touchscreen. Now this gives you sat-nav, DAB digital radio as well as full Bluetooth connectivity. It's also got dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.